You know the story of the Russian cosmonaut? So he goes up in this big spaceship, and he's got this portal window, and he's looking out of it, and he sees the curvature of the Earth for the first time. And then all of a sudden, this strange ticking begins coming out of the dashboard.
Okay, yeah.
But he can't find it. He can't stop it. It keeps going. A few hours into this, begins to feel like torture. What's he gonna do? He's up in space. So Cosmonaut decides the only way to save his sanity is to fall in love with this sound.
Yeah. Oh, so
Yeah.
snap that wing off.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you meant that, didn't you?
I'm gonna fix that.
What do you mean I'm gonna fix that?
Yeah.
I bet.
You know, other teams' beefs, we're not exactly interested.
So 2 people can stay here, the rest of you can go and watch over there. Good.
See what everybody comes with.
Alright, let's go.
This is the most beautiful airplane of the bunch. I'll die on this hill.
Pull back. Go in the right direction. Looks like they're going the right direction. Yep.
And then Chase will be back with your squirt. Saying Luce, you can take this with you as well.
Everyone form a
Windbreaker, come on. Step on.
Looking for something, don't wanna live for nothing. I could settle right now, or I could jump somehow. One round, like there is no way out. They never teach you to reach the stars. No doubt, I'm feeling better now. Give it a try, now enjoy the ride. So if I fall, better than I tried, instead of nothing at all. Yeah, I can say it's my fault, I really don't want, at least I give it a go. So if I fall, better than I tried, instead of nothing at all. Yeah, I can say it's my fault, I really don't want, at least I give it a go. Been trying to fix it and find out what's been missing. I wanna live a life that is worth living. One route, like there is no way out. They never teach
Even then, there's also a gap here and the foam will compress. And that should be fine. And before we go to ground, we should make sure it's up. This thing should have any mission-free related rules.
So if I fall, better than I tried, instead of nothing at all. I can say it's my fault.
Oh, what the hell is that?
I really don't want, at least I give it a go.
Okay.
That was interesting.
That was very interesting.
Oh.
And now it's doing that thing where it's not
Responding.
responding. Yeah.
Okay, so my statement is invalid then.
What the hell?
Wait, but
Okay.
oh, there it is.
There it is.
China. Nothing else to do right now.
So instead you can just go.
Let's do this. Cool. Honestly, for those of you guys.
Okay, everything off this table. Let's wrap up peacefully.
One of the. No, right? I wish you guys were there for that. It would have been insane. Watch the top, watch top, watch top. Thank you. You just see a fall musician thing.
It's like you go. I gave it a go. I know it gets better and better. Keeps getting better. I don't think it's all about the weather. So what if I fall? Better than I try instead of nothing at all. Yeah, I can say it's my fault. I really don't mind, at least I give it a go. So what if I fall? Better than I try instead of nothing at all. Yeah, I can say it's my fault.
Okay, we can return plane to station.
So what if I fall? Better than I try instead of nothing at all. I try. Yeah, I can say it's my fault. I really don't mind, at least I give it a go. I give it a go. So what if I fall? Better than I try instead of nothing at all. I try. Yeah, I can say it's my fault. I really don't mind, at least I give it a go. I give it a go. Oh no. I give it a go. Oh no.
I hope I can have extra.
Then you can do either one.
So what's the status?
Waiting for new hardware to connect two spars.
Gluing spars together.
Okay.
Status is these cheese balls are amazing.
Small piece of this, put this on there, glue it all together. So we're basically extending this rod.
Well, really cool. Really cool.
Duct tape?
Yeah, duct tape.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nice, we fit.
Okay, can we get zip ties on this?
Right here. Things are plugged in.
We're at 35.
Okay, let's get it in. Push it in.
Alright, let me do that.
Okay.
Watch out, watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Alright, watch your sides. Forward, forward, forward. Careful on each wingtip. Watch where you're walking. Watch on that side. Okay, so they said don't.
It's only fire, it's only love. It's only slaughter, we're only liars. It's only blood. There are only thoughts that I'm having, so stay within my heart. You're
another name for it.
No, they called it the Banshee.
The Banshee,
Yeah, we lost the complexity.
You thought you were complex? Look at this.
Yeah, no, see, Mission 3 has completely changed the dynamic of all of this. For sure. So.
Everybody's just chugging their homework.
Okay, we got some insane posture right now.
Alright, Pranam, so tell us what's going on.
So, we're trying to prepare for a scenario where we crash tomorrow, which is the final day to fly Mission 3. And if in the event that happens, we're prepping our second fuselage that we have and our second airframe so that it's ready to immediately come out and rapidly replace a crashed prototype, or a crashed plane, that is. And we're just prepping for that right now.
What's that for? You guys need any help? Or is it enough space for that?
Is it calmer than Seattle though?
Calmer than Seattle can be on occasion.
Yeah.
But it's also not, you know, no wind. Yeah. But it's fine. This will give us a little bit of stuff.
Thank you enough to everyone here. You guys have made this experience what it is.